Hello everyone and welcome. In today's video I'm going to walk you through how to transfer between RBC accounts. Now let's get started. If you want to move funds between your own RBC accounts, this is how to do it. You can use the online banking or the mobile app or an RBC ATM. So let's get started. Access your preferred banking method, whether it is the online banking, mobile app, or RBC ATM. Next, to choose the from and to account. Then enter the amount, input the transfer amount, review and confirm the transactions. It's as simple as that. If you need more details, you can check out the RBC website that has tutorials on how to transfer money between accounts. It's important for you to note that international transfers may involve different procedures and fees. Often the recipients must be pre-registered. So where can you find more details? You can check RBC website on international money transfers. It is recommended for you to check. Always refer to the official RBC website or contact RBC customer service for the most accurate and current information. Be cautious about sharing your banking credentials. Always use secure connections. Be aware of any potential transaction fees.